Hey howdy, hey y'all. Today's edition of What's on the Porch is my Eyescream Beauty box for the month of June. It's a little bitty tiny box and it's all mounded up. Let's hop on in and see what we got. Eyescream Beauty box, in case you do not know, is a monthly makeup subscription box, and there is a palette in every single box. And they always come with a little card that tells you what's in it. And the theme of this box is summer days and summer nights. Eyescream Beauty is $25 a month. I believe that covers free shipping. Don't quote me on that. I always subscribe 6 months at a time. I think doing so I get my boxes for like $23 a month. So let's start off with the palettes, because that's the whole reason why I subscribe. And this month there are 2 palettes. The card says, I'm not sure that I can pronounce it right. I don't know. But there are 2 palettes, Sweet and Lavender, and it says $24. So I'm guessing that's $24 for both of them. And they're in these little plastic palettes. And here's what the lavender looks like. Very pretty little palette. And here's what the Sweet looks like. That one as well is very pretty. They're very soft and pastel-y, and they are not exactly my taste. So I'm not going to swatch them or use them. I'm going to put both of those in your giveaway box. The next thing that we have are these Beaute Beauty liquid highlight drops, and this is in the shade Champagne, and this retails for $35, and the box is sealed. And I have so many highlighters and highlighter drops, and this is a big old bottle, and look how pretty it looks. I'm not going to open this either. I'm going to put that also in your giveaway box. The next thing that we have is a Day and Night Lip Liner Duo. And the shades on these look really pretty. I love this dark shade. They are Be Bella. And it says $7. Now again, I don't know if that's $7 a piece, or $7 for both of them. You can get the shrink wrapping off of them. So these say Lip Perfection, and this one is Berry Sexy, and that is definitely a pink. And the other shade is Only Yours. And I'm surprised at how pink that is too, based off of the cap color. I thought that that was going to be more of a wine color, but it definitely has a pink cast to it. And then we have Dolce Max Lash Voluminizer Mascara, and it retails for $24. And this is what the packaging looks like. It is in the shade black, and there's the brush. I have a few of their products, so I will be happy to try that out and see what I think of it. And the last item in my box is a brush. This is Cheeky Rose Beauty Kabuki brush, and it retails for $42. And that's what it looks like. It is very, very soft. And I would assume that you use it with something like these drops to put some shimmer on your body. Very nice brush. Did I tell you those Beaute Beauty highlighting drops were $35? $35. So the total value of my box is $132. That was a very, very, very short video. They go by really quick when you're not trying things on. That's why I kind of prefer to try things on. But Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out my Eyescream Beauty box for the month of June. Make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher? Christopher, I could see you sitting on the side of the lake, smearing highlighting drops all over you while you're fishing, just beaming to the gods. Maybe I should send this to you. You would be a beacon of light to all those ships at sea. Oh no, you're out on a lake. A beacon of light to, you know, all the wildlife or something. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.